Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tessa. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, we are cooking derere in Shona and okra in English. So I just started by cutting off the ends and then chopping up the okra. I'd already washed it off camera and I had already grated my tomatoes. Okay, so let's talk ingredients. Of course, you're gonna need the okra itself, and then you're gonna need some tomatoes. I used like 1.5 tomatoes, and then you're also gonna need salt and bicarbonate soda. Let me know how you call that in your own pronunciation. Yeah, anyway, yeah, if you leave out the soda, then I don't know what you're cooking. I really don't. So after chopping up the okra, it was time to combine the ingredients. So we took our soda and then we put a teaspoon in. This is the only time I'm using a teaspoon to measure because I didn't want to mess it up. And then we put some salt and we added the tomatoes and some water. So some of the benefits of eating okra are it's rich in vitamin A and C, as well as antioxidants that help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. So if you're a first timer, you probably should know that you don't leave this on the stove on its own. You don't leave until it's done cooking, because if you leave it, it's going to overspill onto the stove and everywhere else, and you don't want that. So you have to keep stirring it because it's very foamy, and when it starts boiling, you start stirring until all the okra is broken down and it looks brownish. Then it's ready. So it was a lot of stirring, and my hand ended up hurting and I felt like it's about to fall off. But anyways, we keep it moving, and I had to lift the pot a few times so that the okra doesn't start overspilling. So my husband just came home with okra. I don't know if it was because he missed it or he was trying to taste me to see if I can actually cook it. Anyways, I used to live with my grandma, and this was actually my first time cooking without her supervision, cooking okra without her supervision, because she usually used to supervise me or she would cook it on her own. So I've heard of different ways of cooking okra. Obviously, each culture has their own way to cook it and make it. In Zimbabwe, we like it like this. And I've heard people fry it. So let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried the fried okra? Does it taste nice? How do you cook it? Let me know in the comment section. And just let me know in your own culture, how do you make okra? And does it taste nice? Because I'm kind of curious about the frying of the okra. If you can tell, the color has changed to a brownish reddish color, and that means our okra is done cooking. And as you can see, it's broken down. It's no longer in those big chunks of circle okra that we put in the pan. It's all broken down. You can see the seeds and all. So it's done cooking. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.